Hello and welcome. In this lecture, we'll dive into the Go Playground, a web service that runs on Google servers. It's the simplest way to start writing and running Go program without installing anything on your machine. So this is that Go Playground IDE. This is where you write code and this is where it outputs. Throughout your code journey, you'll find the playground invaluable for testing code snippets, exploring concepts, and running examples from official documentations. Think of it as your personal online Go editor. In this course, we will use Go Playground for quick example and Visual Studio Code for the larger project. It's important to know that Playground has some limitation for security reasons. You can't, for instance, access the file system or make arbitrary network connections. This ensures that the code runs is a safe and it runs in a sandbox environment. Getting started, you just need to write package main import func fmt func main and fmt print.ln hello, and whatever this Chinese character is. This Chinese characters shows the support for Unicode character in Go. This is world, hello world in Chinese. What you see here is the classical hello world of Go community. Community. We have the editor window with some pre-written code. On this, we have run, format, share, and when we use run, it would choose this Go version and it would choose the latest Go version and run that code as it says hello world in Chinese. And the format one is to correct the sentence if you want anything like that, like if you do this and use exclamation mark, it would run, but before that it would automatically correct that. This is Go idiomatic way of correcting code, and if I use this format button, it would also correct that thing and format that syntax automatically. This is huge part of Go ecosystem as it ensure all Go code, no matter who writes it, looks and feel the same. It lets mess a little bit more. We can do like this, and fmt dot print print ln, and then we choose to format. See this, it would correct it all automatically, and if we run it, it will run. And this share button is used to share your code with like it would give a URL which you can share your code to anyone with the help of this URL. I'll use this. It would, you can see that the same code is written over there. So that's what it does. And you can choose many different examples like hello world, Fibonacci cluster, concurrent pi, tree comparison, clear screen, HTTP server, display image, sleep, many different examples. This Go Dev Playground has automatic import functionality. Like if you would do remove this import function and you would write fmt.println hello world, then I would run, it would automatically add and run the code. So this is this IDE functionality is. We can do one more thing, like there is a math library, and if I'd use power to the power 2, and I would do an fmt dot println power of 2 equal to L, and when I would run this, it would automatically import math for that app, and it would run the power of 2 to the power 2 is 4. This is done automatically. As you see, this could be new syntax to you, and that means that it declares L variable and also initializing that L variable to the value of math dot power, whatever that comes, it would initialize that, also declare L. So it does two things here. Let's see from new example, like name colon equal to, you'll declare and initialize name with name xyz, and then you could do one more, you only assign it like equal to abc, and you can do is name and run. What it does, it print hello abc. Equals operator is only assignment operator, so if name is declared, then we can assign it to a different value. You can also use var over there, over here actually, yes, and that is var name equal to var name string, not equal to, you can declare the variable and its type in var, and then you can do name equal to xyz, and if you run this, it would give you hello xyz. And outside of a main, the thing is name colon equal to, this does not work over there. It does not work over there, and if we would print the name, it simply wouldn't work. Here we can use const name equal to h, and then we can print that name h, or we could use var name equal to h. It would do the same. And if we would do nothing, like var name string, and let's me comment this colon, this slash actually is comment on go, and if I run it, it would print empty, hello empty. It's nothing. As if you declare any variable with no value, it would take zero value of it. Like for string, it would use this, and for var int 32, it would use 0. As I can show you, var uh, num in 32 0, and this is num, and I would run it, it would return me 0 for that num. There are things that you can do with var name string equal to xyz, and then name run xyz. It has been run with that. Then var can be redeclared name equal to sum, and then if I would do run, it would print sum, hello sum. Then if I would do like const, it would run, but the const thing is that it is not changeable. So if I do like to change with that, the compiler would give me the error that it is neither accessible nor a map index expression. So it is like whenever you want something that is unchangeable during runtime of that uh, working of that application, you could use const over that variable. It would not change during runtime. There is one more website which you can do your coding with, which is goplay.tools. This is another website, goplay.tools. In this website, this is also a Go ID where you can choose the version of that Go runtime and compiler, Go compiler, and you could create a different tabs over there which would be in same directory. So it would be something like hello.go, something like that. And this, what does is it this do is that it auto imports also, and it give this helper list type thing, and we could read uh, like if we use strings dot join, then we could see that it needs element which is array of strings, and a separator, like a separator, which is if everything is is separated by comma, then we could use comma as a separator to separate whatever things is that, like this is elements and this is separators. So elements is var name equal to um, I would not use var over here. I would directly declare it, and then I will use string, and then I'm gonna use a b b c d, and this is names. Actually would do like names, that would be better, and a separator like sep, that could be comma, then it would return, as I can hover over there of a mouse, and you can see that it would return a string as joined in one string, and all abcd will be joined colon equal to string. And if I would print over here, you can see that if I would run it using control enter, and it would return hello world abcd as all with joined comma, and then the same with we can do split, but that's for different time. This is the basic thing that can be done using goplay.tools, and this is also very helpful go IDE that you can use. Ultimately, whether you write your code in the official playground or alternatively like GoPlay tool or local editor like VS Code, everything you will learn in this lecture how to run your code and create projects which will help you to learn that Go. In the next lecture, I would show you how to set up your own dev environment in your local machine, so you could run that code on VS Code or in a plain simple terminal.